Good morning everyone. Welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator. And today we are going to start this new initiative on my YouTube channel. The initiative is we are going to start practicing the MCQs, prelims based MCQs from the Hindu newspaper, from PIB and the Indian Express. There will be 10 to 20 questions which we are going to practice on a daily basis. Sometimes it could be 10 questions, sometimes it could be 15, sometimes it could be 20. So these questions we are going to practice here after completing the Hindu analysis. Daily we are going to complete the Hindu analysis and then we are going to practice these questions. Alright, based on that analysis. तो डेली आप न्यूज़पेपर जो भी पढ़ते हो उसको पढ़ने के बाद आप ये क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर हो या पीआईबी हो या इंडियन एक्सप्रेस हो, ये एमसीक्यूज प्रैक्टिस करके आपकी प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी साइड बाय साइड होती रहेगी. Simultaneously you will be prepared daily, you will be preparing yourself daily for prelims, right? So the PDF of the class will be uploaded on my Telegram channel. And also here's a small announcement for all of you. I am also taking Unacademy Plus courses. Unacademy Plus पे भी मैं courses ले रही हूँ, right? And the courses are on art and culture. Crash course I am taking, then revising the last 1 year's current affair through MCQs also I am doing that course. So you can get 10% discount if you use my referral code Sharma20. अगर आप मेरा referral code Sharma20 use करते हो तो 10% easily आपको discount मिल सकता है. Let's start the class without any delay. Start करते हैं class. Okay. Question number 1. Which statement supports the dilution of labor laws on the pretext of battling COVID-19 pandemic? Now also I am going to tell you the rule of the class. Rule is that you have to maintain a score sheet with you. आपको daily class में एक score sheet maintain करनी है. Right, A4 size sheet. You can divide it into 3 parts. Question number, score and remark. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो होंगे उसके अगेंस्ट आपके जो स्कोर्स है वो लिखने होंगे. इफ यू हैव मार्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन करेक्टली देन राइट +2. इफ यू हैव मार्क्ड इट इनकरेक्टली राइट -0.66. एंड रिमार्क ऑल्सो, अगर आपने इनकरेक्टली मार्क किया, इफ यू हैव मार्क्ड इट इनकरेक्टली, रिमार्क सिली मिस्टेक और डिड नॉट प्रिपेयर द करंट अफेयर्स प्रॉपर्ली, डिड नॉट रीड द न्यूज़पेपर, राइट. इस तरीके के रिमार्क्स लिख सकते हो कि क्यों आपने वो क्वेश्चन गलत आंसर किया, राइट. Clear everyone? So this is the rule of the class and the final scores you will tell me in the comment section. Comment section में आप अपने final scores मुझे बता देंगे. Question number 1. With the statement, which statement supports dilution of labor laws on the pretext of battling COVID-19, taken from the Hindu newspaper? Labor All is an online software that enables establishments to comprehensively address the compliance. Software launched on 1st May 2020. Covers the Factories Act 1948. Correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer क्या है? 5 seconds time you all have to mark the answer. So correct answer to this question is A, that is only one is correct. A is the correct answer. That is only one is correct. Statement number 1 is correct. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 आपका इनकरेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट 2 जो है वो आपका इनकरेक्ट है. सो एज यू कैन सी, द सॉफ्टवेयर इनेबल्स द फर्म टू अप्रोच कंप्लायंस थ्रू सिंपल क्वेश्चंस व्हिच हैव टू आंसर्ड इन यस और नो फॉर्मेट. इट आल्सो प्रोवाइड्स द वॉइस असिस्टेंस. इट वाज लॉन्च्ड ऑन 1st May अंडर द फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट 1948. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हिच स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू? व्हिच स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू regarding One Nation One Ration Card scheme, again taken from PIB and the newspapers? Eligible beneficiaries would be able to avail their entitled food grains under National Food Security Act. The relief amount of ₹1,000 for the family card holders would be disbursed. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement correct है? Mark your answers. Correct answer is B. That is statement 1 and 2 are correct. दोनों ही statements correct हैं. Let's have a look at the solution. Beneficiaries would get their entitled food grains under the NFSA. Tokens would be issued to smart card holders and they could draw month's ration along with the relief amount of ₹1,000 presenting the token announced by state government from April 2 onwards. Clear? Question number 3. CPWD issued a set of safety guidelines against COVID-19 for construction activities. Use of PPE is mandatory. Not more than 2 or 4 persons will be allowed to travel in lifts and hoists. Leaving any new building material untouched for 3 days before use. Central Public Works Department of India is premier central government authority in charge of public sector works. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement इसमें से correct है? Taken from न्यूज़पेपर्स ओनली. ये आपके हिंदू और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस से ही लिया गया है. मार्क योर आंसर्स, फटाफट से मार्क करो. करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज सी. सी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. ये सभी स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं. क्लियर एवरीवन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग प्रणवायु mentioned below. You have to go through the statements and tell me which statement is correct. कौन सी statement correct है प्राणवायु के बारे में? Launched by BBMP. It's an initiative to allow them to monitor blood oxygen levels only. Extreme statement भी आ गया है. Tell me which statement is correct. 99.99% chances are there that this can be wrong. But 1% chance फिर भी होता है कि ये correct हो सकती हैं extreme statements. Which statement is correct? Tell me in the comment section. कौन सी statement correct है? Correct answer is A. Only one is correct. I told you extreme statements 99.9% chances are there that they are wrong. Right? So this statement is wrong because of only word. So Pranavayu is launched by Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike. It's an initiative to allow them to monitor blood oxygen levels and heart rates also. सिर्फ blood oxygen level नहीं होता, heart rates भी measure किया जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 टेकन फ्रॉम द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. आज के ही हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर से लिया गया है. ऑपरेशन समुद्र सेतु रिलेटेड टू नेवी लॉन्च दिस इवैक्यूएशन एफर्ट. 3 सर्विसेज हैव सेट 6 क्वारंटाइन फैसिलिटीज. विच स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? कौन सी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है जरा बताएं मुझे. करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज इट इज सी. बोथ द अबव स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं. सो ऑपरेशन समुद्र सेतु इट्स एन इंडियन नेवी एफर्ट, राइट, टू रिपेट्रिएट द सिटीजंस हु आर स्ट्रैंडेड ओवरसीज. अप टू 2100 इंडियंस अराइविंग फ्रॉम सऊदी अरेबिया, कुवैत, यूएई, बहरीन, मलेशिया विल बी इवैक्यूएटेड, विल बी रिपेट्रिएटेड. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. रीड अलोंग ऐप लॉन्च्ड. So these are the 2 statements given on read along app. You have to tell me which is correct. दो statements दी हैं. First, it is launched by Google. Second, it's an Android app for adults over 25 years old that helps them by providing measures against COVID-19. Correct answer is A. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 आपकी correct है. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is wrong. So, Read Along app is an Android app for children over 5 years old that help them to learn to read by giving verbal and visual feedback as they read stories aloud. Okay, not 25-year-old, it is 5-year-old. Question number 7. Government of India and AIIB signed an agreement. AIIB is Infrastructure Investment Bank, headquarters is in Beijing, China. Signed a $500 million COVID-19 emergency response to help India. So you have to tell me which statement is correct. कौन सा statement सही है जरा बताएं मुझे. Correct answer it is A. That is statement 1 and 2 are correct. दोनों ही statements correct हैं. So Government of India and the Asian Infrastructure Bank inside they have signed a $500 million COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness project. All right. Question number 8. Kailash Mansarovar Yatra route by BRO. These are the 2 statements. You have to tell me which statement is correct. BRO is Border Road Organization, develops and maintains road network in India's border areas and friendly neighboring countries. It's a road connecting from Dhaarchula to Ghatia-Bagar. Which statement is correct? कौन सी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? फटाफट से आंसर करो. Correct answer is C. That is statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. The Dharchula Lipu Lake Road is extension of Pitrogad, Toaghat, Gatiabad and terminates at Lipu Lake Pass, which is the gateway to Kailash Mansarovar. Question number 9. Which point satisfied Arogya Setu app? It tracks the coronavirus infection by using Bluetooth, uses location data to determine which zone the user is in. The app's UI mainly carries out 4 key functions. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement correct है? जल्दी से बताएं. Correct answer is, it is A. That is all of the above statements are correct. सभी statements correct हैं. This app has been launched to determine if user has been within 6 feet of an infected person or not. It will check the active COVID-19 cases, and there are 4 key functions performed by this app telling the current status of the user's locality, determining risk of user getting infected with COVID-19, providing user with local and national updates on COVID-19 cases, and detecting the places where these users are present. Question number 10. MAFI supports the following. It is modernization of airfield infrastructure of 37 airfields for Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Army. Phase 2 is a follow-on program based on Phase 1 that included upgradation of 30 airfields of IAF. Which statement is correct? Taken from PIB. PIB से लिया है ये. Correct answer is B. That is statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect. MAFI is modernization of airfield with infrastructure of 37 airfields of not just Air Force, Indian Navy also, Indian Coast Guard also. Alright. Last question for today. Which of the following is or are true for Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore? He was born on 8th May 1861, Kolkata, and won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1916. Also known by his pen name Bhanu Singh Thakur, Gurudev Kabir Guru Vishwabaki. Author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse of Gitanjali. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement correct है? फटाफट से बताएं. Correct answer is C. That is statement 2 and 3 are correct. Statement 1 is wrong. Statement 1 आपका गलत है. So let us see. He was born in 1861 but on 7th May. That is why 7th May को द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी के बारे में. 1861 को पैदा हुए थे and in 1913 he became the first non-European to won the Nobel Prize. Not 1916. It was 1913. Clear? So correct answer is C. Only statement 2 and 3 are correct. Now you have to tell me your final scores in the comment section. Comment section में अपने final scores मुझे बताना. And we are hoping to achieve 50 likes on this video. इस video पे 50 likes हम hope कर रहे हैं कि आप हमें देंगे. Right? So on that note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.